Okay, good day everyone. Today we are going to simulate local area networks or LAN, yeah, using one switch or hub and then three computers. Yeah. So this is the simple connection, yeah, because only one switch and three computers. Then how to set the IP address? Okay. First, let's open the GNS3, yeah, and then create new project, and then let's put the destination. You can freely where you can put it. Hmm, 3 PC and one switch. Yeah, you can type your file name. Okay, yeah, it is the GNS3 already ready. Yeah, and then let's see what is the content of all the device in here. Yeah, before you have add or attach this router. Yeah, but as the default there is Ethernet hub or Ethernet switch. Here I choose this one, Ethernet switch. Okay, and then this is the PC1, PC2, and then PC3. Okay, close it. Yeah, then this is PC1, switch here, PC2, and then PC3. Yeah, because this is LAN, so this is only internal connection. Yeah, without internet or intranet. Yeah, intranet without interconnection. Okay, just simply we call it as LAN. Yeah. Okay, because all the devices are ready in here, then let's connect each other. Click this one, and then I click PC1. I show Ether 0, yeah, then connect to Ether 0 in switch. Yeah, and then let's connect. Okay, click Ether 1, yeah, because Ether 0 is already used to PC1. So the next is Ether 1, Ethernet 1 to PC2. Yeah, oops, as Ether 0, and then let's connect switch 1 as Ether 0 as Ether 2. Oops, to PC3. Oops, ah, bad mouse. Okay, yeah, stop it. Okay, three of them already connected, and then just let's stop the connection. Start connection. Okay, it's already connected. Yeah, then let's open the console to set the IP address of each of the computers. Yeah, we can open the console one by one by click the computer, right click and then console, yeah, in PC1. Then this for PC2, yeah, and PC3. But here we can just open all of them by clicking this one. Okay, wait moment. See, there are 3 PC, console of 3 PC here. Yeah, why only 3 PC but no switch? Yeah, here because the function of switch is only for the as the branch. Yeah, so there is no IP in here, so it's not need to be set. It's not need set IP in here because it's only branching the connection. Okay, then uh, let's set the IP of them, ya, PC1, PC2, and PC3. Oops, make smaller. Okay, for uh, to set the IP in each of the PCs, very simple, yeah, because you can just type the IP gateway or mask, yeah, just like set IP in here. Oops, where is it? It's just like when I set IP in Windows. Yeah, but it's using GUI. Yeah, if you are practicing directly, then you can just type the IP of Windows like this. Yeah, IP, subnet mask, gateway, and so on and so on. Okay. In GNS3 you can type by using the console for PC1. Okay, if for example if this is the first time, then you don't understand how to write in the console. Here you can just type question mark, enter, then here is the command how to write it, and there is IP. Yeah, and then how to configure it. See IP, then IP space, then question mark. Is how to write. So in here you can easily just set the IP by typing IP space then the address. Yeah. For the simple example, I will write the simple address IP space 10.1.1.1, and then you can type the then you can type the mask, 255 for example, 0, and then you can type what is the gateway, or 10.1.1. blah blah blah. But because of in switch there is no gateway, by using this topology, there is no gateway in here, so we can just make it empty. Where is it? So we can just type the mask by /24. Enter. See, this is the IP that we already set, 10.1.1.1. then this is the mask, 255 255 255. This is equal to /24. You have got the theory how to write the mask in this form and by writing this form. Okay, then let's show IP. So this is the IP. The name of PC, the name of the node is PC1, then this is the IP and mask. The gateway is still 0 because we haven't set the gateway. Okay, this is PC1, and then let's set PC2 the same IP plus 10.1.1. .1 already used by PC1. So because we use /24, so the last block should be different. .2/24. Okay. It's already set. The same. Show IP. This was different. With .2. And then let's set for PC3 IP 10.1.1. How if I write .2? Because .2 actually already used by PC2. Let's see. Checking for the duplicate, it said that 10.1.1.2 is already used by another computer, this Mac. So we have to set another IP, 10.1.1.3/24. Okay, it's already set there. So IP, it's already set. Each of the IP for 3 of the computers already set. So now let's check to get the evidence that these networks now connected. So each of the computers can send message or send package, each of them. Just simply using ping. Ping. Let's go to PC1 first. From PC1 ping to PC2 and then ping PC3. And then from PC1 ping to PC1 PC3. From PC3 to PC1 and PC2. Okay, go to PC1, then ping to PC. Ping 10.1.1.2 because PC2. See, enter. This is connected. It means that this is connected. Then how if ping to PC3? Connected to. Okay, then how if we ping from PC1 to PC, from PC2 to PC1, ping 10.1.1.1. Okay, connected. then ping to PC3, ping 10.1.1.3. See, connected. Yeah. Then from PC3, let's ping 10.1.1.1. It's connected. Then how if PC2 is connected to? Yeah. Just simple, very simple to get this the topology of this one. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.